Drexel University is working in collaboration with the University of Texas at El Paso on a project on green energy manufacturing education. In this project, we formulated two teams between Drexel and the UTEP, collaborating on fusion of green energy into manufacturing engineering education.
We here are trying to incorporate life cycle assessment as part of the main curriculum of engineering students. Life cycle assessment of any product or process is assessing its environmental impact.
We specialize in mechanical engineering, biomedical engineering, electrical engineering, green energy manufacturing, and various other fields.
As research assistants in this facility, we aim to develop courses and modules for classroom learning purposes. I specifically worked with this module right here. I modified the circuit and coded the system to perform the functions of rastering and positioning motion in the coordinate plane. This module will be used as a learning tool in the materials manufacturing classroom. Previously in the materials manufacturing course, the students were exposed to different samples of solar panels at various stages of manufacturing them. With this module, we think that the students will be able to relate on a more closer level with these kind of samples and understanding the defects within them.
Hi, I'm Dr. REGINA. I'm a social network analysis consultant for this project. I created a secure Facebook page for Drexel University engineering technology students and University of Texas at El Paso students to engage regarding topics of green energy. The private Facebook group allows students to interact with one another regarding green energy manufacturing, to learn from the experience of others, to share wisdom, ask questions, and to build community.
I designed an experiment for educational purposes in order to introduce students to green energy micromanufacturing and infrared thermography.
Under the guidance of Dr. Richard Chow, we are trying to get students involved in assessing the environmental impact of the products that they are about to engineer or produce as engineers.
We have been working on outreach and education activities on green energy manufacturing for the project since it started. An effort to date has been joint IMSE Day, Industrial Manufacturing and System Engineering Workshop with UTEP every year. Many industries are directing their efforts to reduce the environmental impact of their products and services. On the other hand, to remain competitive in the global economy, the industry needs to train engineers and professionals to understand the impact of their decision on the environment and society.
My role as evaluator is to help the team from Drexel and UTEP to look at how they are reaching each milestone and objective to help ensure the overall project success. Each year we do an evaluation, we talk to our stakeholders, we look at students, faculty, outside agencies and businesses that contribute to our students' growth and development.
Hey, I'm Chetna. I recently joined Dr. Mock and Dr. Chow, and as a research assistant, I'm basically investigating the properties of muscle wire. But I wanted to modify it and make it very efficient, so I'm starting it on a kit. Then I went on to a solar space wings, which is a kit, and I studied the properties of muscle wire there. And now I'm trying to study the muscle wire used in robotic hand. So basically the property of muscle wire is that contracts rather than expanding when electricity is passed through it.
One of the major reasons we're really focusing on developing an innovative technology-driven curriculum is to really entice and bring in students to the engineering field, specifically green energy. We are really targeting those students who are non-traditional to engineering, looking at bringing those students in and engaging them in this curriculum in this area of research. We really hope that by creating this innovative technology that we will not only draw these students in, but will also help them to finish the program and graduate.
The Di Lorenzo Green Energy Kit utilizes 3 sources of green energy to educate students on the various ways to produce power. This includes solar panels, wind turbines, and fuel cell modules. Through the use of more than 12 different laboratory experiments, students will learn about the different concepts and theories and how they can be applied to produce energy.
Our goal here is to give students the tool to tackle the environmental impacts the Earth is facing today in the most technologically advanced way.
The project will be achieved to enhance the students' understanding of the fundamental concept of design for environment and hands-on learning of green energy manufacturing. Thank you.